Before removing the instrument panel on the Smart, disconnect the ground line of the onboard battery. Move the driver's seat back. Remove the side panel of the instrument panel with a wedge. Then remove the 3 screws. The covers of the center console and the lower trim of the instrument panel are next. Then remove these 2 screws. Unclip the trim under the instrument panel on the left. Disconnect the electrical connections. Now unclip the cable harness. Disconnect the remaining connectors. Now the trim of the lower instrument panel can be removed. Next, remove the glove box. For the removal of the instrument cluster, first move the steering wheel back and down. Then, with a wedge, carefully remove the ornamental trim. Here you'll find another screw. Unclip the trim upwards and out. Now for the decorative trim with air nozzle. Use a wedge. On the radio display, first remove the frame. And then disconnect the electrical connector. Unscrew the 4 screws on the sides. The touchscreen is now loose and can be gently levered out with a wedge. Disconnect the electrical connectors. Remove the 2 screws on the display bracket. Now for the decorative elements in the middle of the instrument panel and to the left of the steering wheel. Right and left of the steering wheel, undo these 3 screws. This allows you to take off the instrument cluster frame. The instrument cluster is held by 2 screws. Disconnect the electrical connector before removing the instrument cluster. Remove the trim on both sides of the A-pillar. At the front windscreen, unclip the small cover with a mounting wedge and then undo the screw underneath. Disconnect the electrical connectors of the additional instruments. This is followed by 3 screws, one on each side and another where the instrument cluster was. On the passenger side, undo the screw in the footwell. This is followed by another 3 screws, behind the touchscreen and left and right behind the windscreen. Disconnect the electrical connector of the passenger side airbag squib. Then disconnect the plug from the control and operation of the air conditioning. Now you just need to unplug the electrical connector for the hazard lights. Ask a colleague to help you, and together you can lift the instrument panel from the crossbeam. Now you can unplug the last electrical connector for the switch group of the instrument panel. The removal is complete.